Very nice plane. La guardia costiera. It's an Italian helicopter. It's an Italian... Oh, that's a very nice place to take off from. Very convenient, thank you very much. Wow, we also have a strange thing above us. What can that be? Oh, it's a big pot for the rice. Probably. For the soup. It's a big pot for the soup. It's a soup holder. And I think... I don't know. Let's try. Okay, let me stay steady here for a sec. Okay, we have some auto assistance on this helicopter, so it should be fairly easier. Oh man, Geda Tojirushi. Oh man, I love her. I never thought I could actually get affectionate to a rice cooker, but I am. I really am. It may be because of the little music, but yeah, I love her. And she makes fucking perfect rice. Always, always. So yes, I could not but suggest it. Okay, off to the top, baby. Off to the top. Come on, this is a good music for... This is a good climbing music, I think. Zanussi. Zanussi, I don't think if they do rice cookers, but if they do, why not? Okay, give me some more RPM, thank you. Not too much, like this. That's okay. I've been on mine for a while now, and I don't have a lot of time to left tonight. So, ooh, look. This must be what you want on a glider. Look, amount of lift enormous there. And a changing wind. Interesting. So a little more. Ooh boy, that's interesting. Okay, keep this heading. Keep this heading. We need to start climbing again. Not too much power, please. Here we go. Okay, it's not easy to climb now, but probably we need to go from the other side. Anyway, this is better now. Now, let's go. Quando la metti? Well, Vani, I don't think I can put it now. You think so? Don't you see? Don't you think? So you probably have to wait until I land. Power. Okay, stay there. Here we go, boys. Oh man, come on. Can we land? I don't know. We're going down already. Slow down and go down. There is quite some turbulence still. But maybe we can go down there. Let's see. Less power. Oh boy. Okay, come on baby, go down. Oh, I think we can. Potentially we should be able to land there. But I don't know. Can we make it? I don't know, man, I don't know. Oh shit. Who is talking about hentai? No, I think you're talking about anime. Hello, darkness. Oh boy. Come on, come on. Almost there, guys. Almost there. Here we go. Woo. Let's see if we can do this. Oh, I don't know, Flap. We'll try. Same thing. Really? No, I don't think so. Oh boy. Okay. This is the downlift. So I need to keep it leveled here. Okay. Yes. Okay, that's okay. No. Keep going. Okay, keep going. Oh, mango, nice. No, not two engines, not too much. Okay, wait. Oh boy. Ah, no, downwind. Ah, shit. Oh shit, it's here. Fuck it, I'm gonna land here if I can. Oh no 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 no. That's too much lift. No, no. Oh guys, no. Woo. Okay, safe. That's really not the way we should do. Ah, fuck. No. Wrong side of the mountain again. Can I do this, maybe? I have some here. Come on, you motherfucker. Oh, Vani, nice. Hello, Vani's boyfriend. Hello, sir. I hope you can speak some English. Oh, boy. That's close. The mountain is close. Shit. Come on. Here we go. Come on, let me land. Okay, guys. I think we need to go for an alternative spot here, because the Yolocopter cannot really land on the top and can probably crash now. What the fuck is this? Okay, I'm gonna shoot for these guys. Maybe if I can. Of course I can't now. Now we're too fucking high for everything. Not really working. Not even here, baby. Not even here is working. Fucking hell. Okay, maybe here. Okay, any place now. Any place, man. Any place that works. Because I'm losing my patience and I shouldn't really. So let's go down. Keep it down there, maybe. This is a lovely song to land. Come on. It should be a good song to land a helicopter. Okay, those trees, guys. Those trees. Just like the lightning from the sky. She loves me, kiss me, tell I can't see straight. She my lollipop is great. Lollipop, but can we land here? I don't know. Can we do anything here? People of the trees. Mr. Yeti, hello. Nice to see you again. Hello, Mr. Yeti. Very nice to see you again. Do you mind if I land on your little house here? Thank you. Yeah, I would like to do a soft one, please. Alright, guys. And now we have lift again. Even while landing, you motherfucker, really. Don't you have some pixie? I don't know. Okay, land. Sorry, tree. Sorry, very sorry. I don't mean to. I didn't mean to, tree. Wow. What? Oh, stop. Yes. Alright, guys. Oh boy. Guys, we landed. Fucking hell. Ah. Oof. Okay, not to the top, but close. It's not ending well, no. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, guys, this I don't know. I don't know what this was. We could land on the top, probably. Look, it's a lovely spot here on the top. But I can't really... This would be perfect, look. That will be perfect, look, this one. Perfect. But I can't do shit. No, Syracuse Twitch. Oh, main. Super. Sorry, kid. Ahoy, Farhan. Ahoy, comrade. Try with minimum fuel. Oh, that's a good idea. Or maybe with the AS350. But I think the only problem is the wind tonight. But anyway, let me try again. Oh boy, oh boy. My target. Stop at the target, you motherfucker. Stop. Ah, still fast. Okay, fine. Oh boy, I didn't want this actually. All right. Downwind. Oh my god! Oh my god! A concert! Oh shit! No! Wait, this is an emergency. This is an emergency, guys. Emergency concert. Emergency concert, please. Down. Emergency landing. No. Oh shit. Oh my god, there's a concert.